Hello guys, after a while I managed to set up the Cancun version 2 on my network. You have a lot of, well, after you actually register the device, you are probably pretty much not able to logging into the account and use the application, so it's pretty much useless and you gotta contact the support. They provide me the Skype ID, which help a lot, and they actually provide me an account with a new password, and I was able to use the application. So now I'm going to show you how I set up my second device. The first problem I had with this one was on this. If you see the inside of the USB devices, one is black and the other one is white. This is because each of the plugins have the same color. You see, this is black and the other one is white. So you gotta put the white on the white one and the black on the black hole. This is, I don't know why this is. If you use any other configuration that is not this one, with the 4 devices, is not going to be detected and they're not going to work at all. That was the first issue that I had with this. Of course, I need the adapter in order to make it useful on my country standard power outlets. And okay, I'm gonna plug the devices and connect it to the power outlet and boot it up. Okay, now I have both of the plugins connected. This is the motion sensor and the I think it's the radio frequency sensor. I'm not sure about that. So I'm gonna plug it in and you expect this light to be like to hold blue like for a few seconds, and then it's gonna start blinking, and when it's blinking you will be ready to set this up. So let's go. Okay, now the light on, this is like a dimmer is on, and on top you see that the blue one is blinking, so I should be ready to set this up. This is the application, the English version that you can find on the community. So you should come here and you should have the possibility to add a device like this, but it seems that on this version you're not allowed to do that. So it seems that we need to update this to the latest version and configure the device. Unfortunately, the latest version is in Chinese, so let's see if I can update it. Okay, I'm gonna update the app. Okay, I finally downloaded the update, so I'm going to install it. This is going to be the Chinese version, so we're not going to be able to understand everything, but after a while you kind of like manage it through the images. Okay, the application is ready. We're going to open that. The device is still blinking and waiting for configuration. Okay, we have it ready. So you see, already captured all the previous configuration that I had, and we go to the plus, and you see now we have this and this and this, which was not available on the English version that is out on the community. So you might need to update in order to perform the configuration. So we'll click on the device. I think this is yes. I was asking if the thing was linking, so it's gonna ask for the password. So it's gonna show your internet. I'm connected already to my Wi-Fi, so it's providing my SSID ID, and I need to provide the password in order for the device to connect. So I'm gonna type that. Okay, I already have the password, and I'm gonna click the checkbox and wait for it to configure. The device is still blinking. I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not. I think on my first attempt I was able to configure it with the English version, but I think that I updated the devices, but this one wasn't plugged in, so you should have the old version. So I think I managed to configure the first time, or with this one I can't recall which one was. Okay, we have blinking that is going faster than before. Nothing on the application. We can also notice that the light, the dimmer that was on, is not on anymore. So we have well, a successful configuration. For some reason you cannot type English characters in there, so I just add numbers to know what is it, because if you type any word it's not going to change the name. So I'm going to put a 3 on that one, and if you see I have this one and it has the 3. Oh, it's not able to get, there we go, it has the 3, so that's the one I just set up. This is the one I previously set up, and as you can see it has it's in English, but now in the new version you cannot type English characters, so I probably need to roll back. So let's go inside that one, gonna click on and it should turn it on, and as you can see it's actually on. We're gonna bring it off, and it goes off. This is great. Let's see if we are able to see the plugins. I think was in here, yes. Oof. Okay, I think this is the RC for the garage and curtains and radio frequency remote controls, and the other one, oh, I think it's the motion sensor one. Well, I'll review the plugins later. So that was the main configuration. If you have problems with accessing to your Wi-Fi, try to reduce the encryption, as I had it pretty high, and the Cancun version 1 were not able to set up or run the main configuration, so I had to lower the security. So if you have problems, I just lower that and let me know how it goes for you.